What's up? Today's gonna be sick. I'm doing my own Hyper Bee build. Surron haven't released theirs yet, but we've seen the videos, seen the photos. So I'm gonna do my own build. I've got a 14-inch, 17-inch rule set going on here. Big fat 14. I think it's a 90-100 14. And so we're gonna need a spacer kit. So we're gonna install a spacer kit on here to move that over as well. And hopefully only have to trim a little bit of the knobs off the side. A seat lowering kit as well. I'm not too sure. I'll get a before and after measurement to see how far that drops it down. We've got the KKE forks to put on here with a direct mount stem mount. We'll keep the stock bars and new EBMX decal to go on there. Should be sick. Stay tuned.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So, been a couple of days. I've been at work. I didn't get to finish off the Hyper Bee build, but I'm back at it today. I think the last thing I've got to do really is just change over these decals. We get it finished today and out for a ride tomorrow. Arrived at the spot. We got the Surron Mini here. First test is this hill climb. Start at the bottom. You got to come up here, up there. I'm sure the GoPro doesn't show how steep this hill is, but it's actually it's quite steep. Got the tripod set up there with the Insta360 as well. Let's see if we can pass the first test. In sport, on the Surron Mini, let's get it. Yeah, wait. Let's go. Right, we've got a little skinny here. I have done this one before. Let's see if I still got it. Let's go. And back again. You.
Greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up.
That was close. I nearly ate it. Oh, sick though. Nice little rock drop here. Let's see if I can make it down there without falling off the other side. Let's go! This bike is sick. It is so light and easy to throw around. At 6 kilowatt, same power as LBX, but I'm used to riding the big bike, you know, it's 28 kilowatt. This thing is still mint. It is so light, it almost makes up for that loss of power. Here's the outside loop. Let's go. Down this one, it becomes too big for this little bike. Come on, baby, let's go, let's go. Up the hill climb again. Yes, got it. All right, let's go backwards. Brakes could need a bit of a work over here. Skinny on the way back. Oh, no. Maybe not. Let's go. Got him now. Phew. So an LBX seat height is 830. The youth is 760. And with this seat dropper kit, drops at 40 mil, takes it down to 720. Perfect for the smaller riders, or if you want a little mini moto yourself. All right, here's a lap of the bigger track. Now clear all the spiderwebs. Let's go. Not hitting the jumps today on this little thing, but you get the idea. I gotta say, this seat lowering kit is sick, how much it lowers it. But this here, I've already smashed my knee on it a few times. Definitely could do angled in a little bit. It's killing. But overall, that is pretty sick. So if you're thinking about building one, I recommend doing it. I think this is the perfect beginner bike or starter bike to build up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.